Good morning, students. I hope you have gone through the things which we have studied last before the vacation. If you remember, we have started with the chapter number 2, whole numbers. In that we have completed exercise 2.1 and we have also started exercise 2.2. Now I want you to pause this video for a 5 to 10 minutes and before we pause this video and try to recall or just check the pages before which we have already done the exercise 2.1 and 2.2. In that, question number 1 and 2 of 2.2 also, just go through that exercises and then we will move on to the question number 3 of exercise 2.2. So pause this video for 10 minutes and go through the things which we have already studied. Now we will, as we have studied the associative property of addition and subtraction in exercise 2.2. Now in exercise 2.2, question number 3, which is related to the distributive property. Question number 3 is related to the distributive property. Okay, so write down along with me, find the value of following. Now what is distributive property? Distributive property, the law of distributive property I am writing over here so that you can recall the things. So if distributive property is goes like this, please you also write along with me. For any whole numbers A, B and C, A multiply by in bracket B plus C is equal to A multiply by B, bracket complete, in another bracket A multiply by C, and in middle you have the addition sign. तो कोई पण 3 होल नंबर्स છે A, B અને C ની અંદર અગર A મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય ઇન બ્રેકેટ B પ્લસ C હોય તો પહેલાં A ને B જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું, પછી વચ્ચે એડિશનની સાઇન મૂકવાની અને પછી A ને C જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. This is how the distributive property is. Okay, please remember this property because this will come along the whole way in this chapter. તો નાવ હવે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું A, exercise question point 3 નો A, which is 197 છે 297 છે sorry 297 multiply by 17 plus 297 multiply by 3. હવે તમને અગર જુઓ છો તમે તો આ બે ટર્મ છે અને આ બે ટર્મની વચ્ચે પ્લસની સાઇન છે. એનો મતલબ, અને તમે જોશો તો અહીંયા એક નંબર જે છે રિપીટ થાય છે 297 હિયર 297 હિયર. તો તમે જોશો તો અહીંયા એ તો અગર આપણે આને એ તરીકે કાઉન્ટ કરીએ તો આને કહેવાય બી. ઓકે, બ્રેકેટ કમ્પ્લીટ, પ્લસની સાઇન, અને પાછું આ એ જ છે તો આને કહેવાય સી. અને શું કહેવાય સી. તો આ કેવી રીતનું ટર્મ થઈ ગયું? A મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય બી પ્લસ A મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય સી. એટલે કઈ રીતે એને રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરી શકાય? આ રીતે રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરી શકાય. વી કેન રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ ઇટ એઝ લાઇક ધીસ, A મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય બી પ્લસ સી. અને આ વસ્તુને આપણે આ રીતે રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરી શકીએ. સો હિયર અગેન 297 એ છે, મલ્ટીપ્લાયની સાઇન, બ્રેકેટની અંદર બી કયો છે 17 છે તો 17 અને સી કયો છે 3 છે તો 3. સો 17 પ્લસ 3, સો 297 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 17 પ્લસ 3 20 તો 20. હવે આપણે આને મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન ઇઝીલી થઈ શકે. કેમ? કારણ કે આ જે છે એ 20 જે છે એ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં અગર જઈએ તો આપણે 297 ને ખાલી 2 જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનો અને એક 0 એડ કરવાનો. સો યુ નીડ ટુ ડુ લાઈક ધીસ. 2 7 2s are 14, carry over 1, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 9 4 and 1 0 you have to add. So 5 9 4 and this 0 you add. This is your answer. So it is easy, simple thing children. You have to see the thing in this way. આ રીતે તમારે આ વસ્તુને જોવાની છે. So when you see this thing as distributive property, you will be easy to calculate the answer. So just complete your work and then I am doing the second one is here on this side. Okay. B, and now B is again 5 4 279 multiply by 92, addition ni sign. Now here 8 multiply by 5 4 279. Again you can see this number are same in both the term. This is first term, this is second term અને વચ્ચે છે એડિશન ની સાઇન. એ બંનેમાં આ એક નંબર સેમ છે તો આપણે એને કોમન લઈ લઈએ. That means it is A. So 5 4 279 થયો આપણો A. વચ્ચે મલ્ટીપ્લાયની સાઇન મૂકી દઈએ. નાઉ B અને C કયા છે? B છે એ આ છે, C છે એ આ છે. So you have to write like this 92 plus 8. Now if you don't remember or don't understand this, I am doing it in an elaborate way. See, this is your A. This is your A. Okay. Now A is given to you. So you have to write A multiply by B is given here, C is given here. So A multiply by B plus C. In this form you have to write this number. A multiply by B plus C. અહીંયા C multiply by A છે. But in commutative property A multiply by તમે નંબરને આડા આવડા મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં કરી શકો છો. So this is how it is. So now 5 4 279 multiply ની સાઇન અને બ્રેકેટની અંદર આ બંનેનું એડિશન 92 પ્લસ 8. હવે 92 પ્લસ 8 થશે 100. સો 5 4 279 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 100. વેરી ઇઝી. અગર તમે 100 જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો સિમ્પલ 2 0 એડ કરવાના છે. સો 5 4 27900. સો ધીસ આન્સર ઇઝ 54,27,900. So this is your B. So A અને B you can pause the video and you can take your time to understand this. Okay, and then we move on to the C now. I am keeping this above property so that you remember all the time. 81,265 multiply by 169 minus 81,265 multiply by 69. Now તમે સમજશો કે ટીચર અહીંયા તો એડિશનની સાઇન નથી, અહીંયા તો માઇનસની સાઇન છે. ઇટ્સ અ નેગેટિવ સાઇન ઓવર હિયર. સો હાઉ વિલ યુ ડુ ધીસ? સિમ્પલ ચિલ્ડ્રન, જેવી રીતે તમે એડિશન અહીંયા મૂકો છો, ઇફ યુ આર પુટિંગ પ્લસ સાઇન હિયર યુ હેવ ટુ પુટ માઇનસ સાઇન. The thing will be same. હવે અહીંયા પણ you can see this number is the same here. So keep it out of the bracket. So 81,265 is outside the bracket. વચ્ચે આવશે મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનની સાઇન because these numbers are in multiplication of both the term. હવે બ્રેકેટની અંદર આવશે 169, વચ્ચે આવશે માઇનસની સાઇન and then it will come 69. Why? Because here there is a negative sign, so you have to put it minus here. So it is 81,265 multiply by, now 169 minus 69 is 100. Alright? You can do it by yourself. Now 812650. This is your answer. Because you have to just, whenever you multiply with a 10 or 100 or 1000, you just add 20 or 30 or 10 here at the end of the number. So this is your answer. Now D. Okay, now D. Here D, you feel the teacher, here nothing is common and all the number are different and there are 2 multiplications in each term. So how will you do this? So first of all, calm down and first of all multiply these 2 number and then multiply these 2 number. Okay, if I am multiplying these 2 number, that is 3845 multiply by 5, it is 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 2 carry over, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42, 4 carry over, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 9, 19,225 multiply by 782 is there, huh children? Don't forget to write 782. So this is your first term. Now second term, again multiply by these 2 number. So 769 multiply by 25. Okay, if you multiply by yourself, you just pause the video and multiply by yourself and get the answer, and the answer will be this number itself. So if you can see that both the number has, if you are multiplying these 2 and these 2, the answer is same, 19,225. Now here 19,225, here 19,225, bracket માંથી બહાર લઈ જાઓ. So 19,225 બંને multiplication માં છે, તો multiplication sign will be outside and the remaining part is inside, that is 782 plus ની sign and 218. So what you have to do? આને બહાર લઈ જાઓ, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનને બહાર લઈ જાઓ, બંનેના પેલામાંથી આ પણ બહાર, તો અંદર શું વધશે? આ અને આનું એડિશન. Now add these 2 number, you will get 1000 as the answer. 225 multiply by 1000. If you want to add, you can add here 782 plus 218. If you can multiply these 2 number, you will get the answer 0 0 0 10,000. That means you have to just add 3 zeros after the number. So that is 1,92,25,000. So this is your answer. So whenever you are finding these kind of situation, simply see that which 2 number if I am adding from first term and second term, I will get the answer in the 1000 or 10 or 100. એ બંને નંબરને છોડીને બાકીના નંબરોને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દેવાના. That's your answer. I'll give you 2 minutes to write it down. Then we'll move on to question number 2 or question number 4. Now question number 4 is find the product with the suitable property. હવે suitable property જ્યારે પણ લખ્યું હોય ને ત્યારે સમજવાનું કે you have to use the properties of a whole number. You just cannot simply multiply the numbers. You have to use the property. Okay. So whenever it is written that using suitable property, you have to use property of the whole number. Okay. That's the first thing. Now here, this question number 4 is also on this rule, that is distributive property of the number. Okay. So again you have to write this rule in the notebook. Then we will move on to the next point. The next one is 700 and 38 multiply by 103. તમે એમ કહેશો કે ટીચર you can multiply this. No dear, you have to use the suitable property and the suitable property is this. Now how will you do this? I'll tell you. આપણે આ નંબરને એમને એમ રાખીએ 738. Just keep it as it is. હવે આપણે 103 નો એક્સપાન્ડેડ ફોર્મ્યુલા લખીએ તો કેવી રીતે લખાય? 100 plus 3 લખાય. If you are writing this number in expanded form, that you can write down like this. You know expanded form, right? So if I am expanding this number, it will be written like this, 100 plus 3, right? Now can you imagine this as this? A multiplied by B plus C? Yes. So A multiplied by B, A multiplied by C, વચ્ચે addition ની sign. So 738 multiplied by 100 plus 738 multiplied by 3. Now 738 multiplied by 100 is simple, 73800 plus, now you have to multiply this number, right? 738 multiplied by 3. So it is 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, carry over 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11, carry over 1, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 22. So it is 2 2 1 4. Now add these two numbers. So 73800 plus 2214 will be 410, carry over 1 6 7. So answer is 76014. So what did I do? I expand the second term, second number. So here also in B, you can do the things as similar. I will give you 5 minutes time to do the thing. I hope you have finished this. Okay, if you have not finished, pause the video and finish it. Now we will move on to the B, and the B is 854 multiply by 102. Simple. આને એમનું એમ રાખવાનું, આને expand કરવાનું છે, right? So expanded form of this, 854 multiply by 100 plus 2, and then 854 multiply by 100, okay, વચ્ચે addition ની sign, and then 854 multiply by 2. Now after this is in your homework, or you can pause the video and complete your work. Okay, and this is your homework, and I want your answer. Check your answer back side of your textbook, it is there only. So check your answer in the textbook solution, and then move on to the next point. Okay. Okay, now you can check your answer with this work, and the answer will be 87108. If this is your answer is correct, and if you have just gone through these steps, then your answer will be correct. Now I am writing C over here, and C is in your homework, dear children. C is in your homework. Same way you have to expand the 1008 as 1000 plus 8. આની જેમ જ કરવાનું છે. અહીંયા 1008 છે, એની જગ્યાએ 1000 plus 8 કરવાનું છે. D I am doing for you here. It is 1005 multiplied by 168. 1005 multiplied by 168. You will think, teacher, 168 નું કેવી રીતે expand કરવાનું? No, you have to expand this number. So this number, if you are expanding, it is 1000 plus 5 multiplied by 168. Now this one is A, and this one B plus C. So it is like this, 1000 multiplied by 168 plus 5 multiplied by 168. Now 168,000 means 168,000 plus Now you have to multiply this 168 multiply by 5. 8 5s are 40, carry over 4, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4 34, carry over 3, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 840. So the answer is 168840. This is your answer. So I have done A, B and D. You have to write down C by yourself. That is your homework. Now we will move on to the question number 5. Okay. Can I rub this now? Question number 5. Question number 5 I am reading for you. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday, and the next day he filled the tank with the 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol costs 44 rupees per liter, how much did he spend on petrol? So first of all we have to write down the statement. Okay. Now first of all, petrol filled on Monday. How much he filled on Monday? 40 liters. Please write along with me, huh? And then petrol filled on Tuesday. How much he filled? 50 liters. Now price of the petrol is given to you, rupees 44. So how much total? First of all we need to total these, how much total petrol he filled. So the answer, the property, you can write this as a distributive property like this, that rupees 44 every time he filled, well, multiply by 50 liter plus 40 liter plus 50 liter. Why? Because on Monday he filled 40 liter, on Tuesday he filled 50 liter. So it will be rupees 44 multiply by 50 plus 40, 90 liter. Correct? So 44 multiply by 90. So 44 multiply by 9 karo. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus the 39. So here 3960 rupees he filled. Petrol of 3960 rupees he filled. So answer is the price, total price of the petrol is rupees 3960, because he filled like this. This is your answer. Please copy down in your notebook for question number 5. Then we will move on to question number 6. Question number 7 is in your homework, children. Okay. Question number 6 we will move on to that. Now question number 6, as I am reading for you, a vendor supplies 32 liter of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liter of milk in the evening. The milk cost rupees 45 per liter. How much money due to vendor per day? Now children, the same way, first of all, milk given to the hotel in the morning. Is equal to 32 liter. Okay. Now milk given to in the evening. $68 liter. Okay. And price of the milk is equal to rupees 45 per liter. First of all, you have to add these two numbers, total number of total amount of milk they have given. So it will be looking like this, rupees 45 multiply by, in the bracket, 32 plus 68, 32 plus 68. Then it will look like, or you can do like this, so અહીંયા rupees 45 multiply by 32 liter plus rupees 45 multiply by 68 liter. Now અહીંયા બંનેમાં rupees 45 તો common છે, so you have to take it out, multiply by 32 plus 68, and that is 45 multiply by 100. 68 plus 32 is 100. So rupees 4500 is the answer. Rupees 4500. So answer is amount paid to the vendor every day is equal to rupees 4500. That's your answer. So this is how the word problems will be solved. Now question number 7 is the match the following, that is in your homework, you have to do by yourself. Now next is exercise 2.3. okay, I'll give you 2 minute time to complete this. Now we'll move on to the exercise 2.3 then. Okay, now exercise 2.3 is very easy, children. We will start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is, which of the following will not be represent as 0? તમારી પાસે બુક હશે, રાઈટ? સો બુકની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે ને એની અંદર ને અંદર કરવાનો છે આપણે. ઓકે, સો વિચ ઓફ ધી ફોલોઈંગ વિલ નોટ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ છે. ઓકે, તો પહેલું છે 1 + 0. 1 + 0 નો આન્સર શું થાય? 1. કરેક્ટ? હું અહીંયા લખું છું, બટ યુ ડોન્ટ નીડ ટુ રાઇટ ઇટ. ઓકે, 1 + 0 નો આન્સર છે 1, એટલે 0 તરીકે રિપ્રેઝન્ટ ના થઈ શકે. કરેક્ટ છે? બી છે 0 multiply by 0, જેનો આન્સર છે 0. સી છે 0 divide by 2, any number, and 0, if 0 is divided by any number, answer will be 0. And the D is 10 minus 10 divide by 2, that is 0 divide by 2 is equal to 0. So તમે જોશો કે આનો આન્સર 0 છે, આનો આન્સર 0 છે ને આનો આન્સર 0 છે, પણ પહેલું જે A છે એનો આન્સર 0 નથી. સો ધીસ ઇઝ નોટ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ એઝ 0. ઓકે, if you want to write in your notebook, you can write. I don't mind. હવે જે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 અને 3 છે ને, that is justifying through examples. તો એ બંને ક્વેશ્ચન્સને અત્યારે આપણે હાલ પૂરતા સ્કીપ કરીએ છીએ, because that you have to justify with the examples, and examples can be varied. okay, તો I hope કે આ જ્યારે આપણે મળીશું physically 110% we will do that sum, and please remind me that we have to do this sum. Now we will move on to question number 4, which is on page number 44. Find using distributive property. Now you will think, teacher, this is already done. તો આપણે એમાં A અને B is in your homework. Which one? A and B is in your homework. Okay, and C I will do, then D I will do, and the last one is in your homework. Okay, so tick on the sum A, B and E is in your homework. Okay, so we'll start with the B. A, B and C. Okay, so question number 3, C we are doing. and C is 834 multiplied by 25. તમે કહેશો ટીચર આમાં કેવી રીતે ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરવાનું? સિમ્પલ આને એક્સપેન્ડ કરવાનું છે. સો 834 multiplied by 20 plus 5. Okay, 20 plus 5. That means 834 multiplied by 20, bracket close, વચ્ચે એડિશનની સાઇન, 834 multiplied by 5. Okay, now અહીંયા 834 multiplied by 2 કરી અને એક 0 એડ કરી દેવાનું. 20 હોય કોઈ પણ નંબરને 20, 30, 40, 50 એવું હોય તો you have to multiply only with the first number and then add 1 0 here. So 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. So it is the answer 1668 અને આ એક 0 અહીંયા એડ કરીએ. Now 834 multiplied by 5. 834 multiplied by 5. 5 4s are 20, carry over 2, 15, 15 plus 1 17, 17 carry over 1, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 1 41. So answer is 4170. Simply you have to add both the number. We are adding here. Please write along with me, don't waste your time so that we can complete it as soon as possible. Now here 0, 8 plus 7, 15 carry over 1, 0 carry over 1, 11 carry over 1, 2. So answer is 21050. So we have done with the C. You can pause the video and complete your work. Okay, now we will move on to the D part. Okay, D1. I am doing C and D, and remember I am doing C and D. A, B and E is in your homework. You can tick the things which is given as a homework. Now that is 4275 multiplied by 125. You will think teacher આ તો 125 છે. અરે એક્સપેન્ડ કરો, એક્સપેન્ડ જ કરવાનું છે. 4275 multiply by, now put it is in expanded form, that is 100 plus 20 plus 5. So each time this number will multiply with each number separately. તો પહેલાં આને આની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો 4275 multiply by 100, એને બ્રેકેટ બનાવી દો, પછી પ્લસની સાઇન મૂકો વચ્ચે. હવે પાછો આને આની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. સો 4275 multiply by 20, બ્રેકેટ કમ્પ્લીટ કરો. નાવ થર્ડ વનની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. સો પ્લસની સાઇન તો વચ્ચે મૂકવાની જ એવરી ટાઈમ. હા, 4275 multiply by 5. હવે આપણી પાસે 3 મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરવાના છે. આ તો ઇઝી છે, કરેક્ટ? આમાં તો કંઈ જ નથી. 4275 and then add 20. Anytime you add with the number 10, 100, 1000, you have to add 2 zeros on. Now we have to multiply this. તો આના માટે આપણે અહીંયા કરીએ તો 4275 multiply by 2 કરો અને પછી એક 0 એડ કરી દેવાનું લાસ્ટમાં, રાઈટ? So 5 2s are 10, carry over 1, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 5, carry over, no carry over, sorry, 4 2s are 8. So 8 5 5 0 0, કારણ કે અહીંયા એક 0 છે, આ 2 નો 0 છે, પણ આ 0 અહીંયા એડ કરવાનો. That's the number. Now last one, 4275 multiply by 5. So if I am doing it here, 4275 multiply by 5, 5 5s are 25, carry over 2, 7 5s are 35, 30 plus 2, 37, carry over 3, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13, carry over 1, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So it is 21375. Now add 1, 2 and 3 numbers and your answer is ready. So if I am adding these 3 numbers, 427500 plus 85500 plus 21375 7 5. 5 7 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 3 13, carry over 1, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14, carry over 1, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13, carry over 1, 4 plus 5. So, the answer is 5 3 4 3 7 5. This is your answer. Now, answer E is in your question E is in your homework, which is very easy. 504 multiply by 35. You have to just expand 35 as 30 plus 5 and do like this. Okay, so that is in your homework. So, A, B and E is in your homework, children. Okay. Now, last question of the lesson, question number 5. Sorry, this is one is question number 4, children. Now, we will move on to question number 5. And the question number 5 is, now last question of the lesson, study the pattern. Now, I am writing the pattern which is given in your notebook or in your textbook. Okay. And you also write it down along with me. Please write along with me. You can copy from the notebook also, textbook also. Okay. This much they have given. Now, આની અંદર આપણે ખાલી બે સ્ટેપ્સ એડ કરવાના છે. You have to add 2 steps. તો now 1 2 3 4 5. તો હવે શું આવશે? 1 2 3 4 5 6 આવશે. Correct? Multiply by 8 is as it is. Now, here 1 2 3 4 5 and now you have to just write 6. Now, here 9 8 7 6 5. What is left? So, 9 8 7 6 5 add just 4. તમે જોતા હશો 9 9 8 9 8 7 ઊંધું જાય છે, ડિસેન્ડિંગ ફોર્મમાં જાય છે, રાઈટ. એન્ડ ધ લાસ્ટ વન 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 8 પ્લસ 7 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. This is your last one. So, this is the end of the lesson 2. Now, આના રિલેટેડ એક વર્કશીટ હું તમને વોટ્સએપ મોકલીશ. You have to write down complete that worksheet of lesson number 1 and 2 both together I am sending you and you have to solve it. Okay, that's the along with this homework. Okay, and that I will send you within 2 or 3 days. Thank you so much. Bye.